Ever wondered how traders make money in a single day? Let me break down intraday strategies for successful trading. Step 1. Start with a solid plan and stick to it. We're talking precision, not guesswork. Step 2. Keep an eye on market trends and news. Perfect time to analyze and adjust your strategy. Final step. Execute trades with confidence and discipline. Boom. Profits in a day, no long-term commitment. Momentum trading is all about seizing the moment. Here's how I ride the wave in 3 steps. Step 1. Scan the news for earnings reports or events causing price spikes. Step 2. Watch for volume spikes and price breakouts. This is where the action happens. Step 3. Use tools like news scanners and volume indicators to make informed trades. Boom. Capitalize on the momentum and watch your profits grow. See the difference? It's all about timing and tools. Join the momentum trading revolution today. It's all about breakout trading, and here's the lowdown in 3 steps. Step 1. Identify key support and resistance levels on your chart. These lines are your roadmap, not just random squiggles. Step 2. Wait for the price to break above resistance or below support. But don't jump in just yet. Patience is key. Final step. Confirm the breakout with increased volume. Volume is your best friend here, signaling real market interest. Boom. You're in the trade with confidence. Ever thought about trading against the trend? Here's how you can spot a reversal in just 3 steps. Step 1. Look for candlestick patterns like hammer or engulfing. Step 2. Check RSI and divergence indicators for confirmation. Step 3. Use MSD and Bollinger Bands to time your entry. Boom. Catch the trend reversal and ride the wave. See the potential? Start trading smarter today. Or keep following the crowd, your choice. Scalping is my game, and I'm all about those quick wins. I dive into high liquidity stocks with tight spreads, making multiple trades a day. My secret weapons? Level 2, quotes, tick charts, and VWAP. It's all about precision and timing, not holding on for dear life. I focus, execute, and move on. No time for hesitation. Each small profit adds up, turning pennies into dollars. This is scalping. Fast, strategic, and rewarding. VWAP strategy and predict the market? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I approach it in 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the VWAP line on your chart. We are trading, not guessing blindly. Step 2. Observe the price relative to VWAP. Perfect time for analyzing market trends. Final step. Buy above VWAP, sell below, like you actually care about your trades. Boom. Instant strategy. No guesswork required. Big moves at the market open. It's all about the gap and go strategy, and here's how it works. Step 1. Identify stocks that gap up or down significantly at the open. Use a pre-market scanner to spot these potential plays. Step 2. Look for strong volume and continuation after the gap. Volume analysis is key to confirming the move. Final step. Execute your trade with precision and confidence. Master this strategy, and you might just ride the wave to success. Ready to dive in? Intraday trading can be a roller coaster, but here's how to stay on track. First, risk management is key. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Set your stop loss and targets before you even enter a trade. Know your exit point.